Good morning students, I am your English teacher Shabana. So students, today's topic is present continuous tense. I have taught you yesterday simple present tense and the rules of simple present tense. Now we will learn present continuous tense and we learn why do we use present continuous tense, how can we make the sentences in present continuous tense. So students, look at the picture. What are the kids doing in the picture? They are playing. They are playing in the park, na? Yes. And what are the birds doing? Yes, the birds are flying. So students, in present continuous tense, we talk about the thing, the action word, what is happening now. If we want to express something happening right now, we use the present continuous tense. We use words like at the moment, right now, tonight, now, today, this evening, and so on. So students, now we learn how to make sentences in present continuous tense. But first of all, we have to learn the structure. Okay? So let's start the topic. Yes, students, in this picture, a girl is studying and the children are playing with the football in the park. So students, I have told you that when we talk about something happening right now, जो अभी हो रहा है, then we use present continuous tense. Now we will learn present continuous tense rules. We use present continuous tense when we talk about the things that are happening at the time of speaking, कि हमारे बोलने के टाइम पे जो काम हो रहा है जब हम उसकी बात करते हैं, then we use present continuous tense. And the second rule is to talk about things that are happening around the present time. जो भी चीज़ present time में हो रही है जब हम उसके बारे में बात करते हैं, we use present continuous tense. And the third rule is to talk about plans, things we have arranged to do in future. जब हम ऐसी बातों के बारे में बात करते हैं, ऐसी चीज़ों के प्लान्स के बारे में, चीज़ों के बारे में बात करते हैं जो हम फ्यूचर के लिए प्लान कर रहे हैं, जो फ्यूचर में अरेंज होंगी, then we use present continuous tense. Let's read this example. I am ironing my new blouse. In this sentence, we have used helping verb am with the verb and we have used ing with verb. I am ironing my new blouse. Let's see the next example. She is working until late this week. She is working until late this week. In this example also we have used is and verb working. Working, in the verb we have used ing, है ना, until late this week. And the third example of present continuous tense is I am visiting my friend Sue next weekend. So students, what we have learned? We have learned that we use helping verb is, am, are after the subject in present continuous tense. And we use ing form with verb after helping verbs. So students, now we will learn some more. We will read some more examples. We use present continuous tense to talk about an action that is happening at the moment. Means जो अभी हो रहा है. Okay? Max is watching TV now. Max is watching TV now. Max अब TV देख रहा है. Max is reading a book now. In this picture, Max is watching TV now, है ना? And Max is reading a book now. He is reading a book. So, we use ing with the verb, with the action word. Watch is the action word. और हमने क्या किया है? We have used ing with verb and helping verbs before verb. Now, we will learn how do we use helping verb with the subject. So students, yes, these are the subjects and helping verbs and verbs with ing. So we use I with am. I am, you all know, है ना? I am painting. I am painting. And the second is you. We use are with you. You is a subjective pronoun, you know na? Yes. You are watching TV. Look at the chart beta. Yes. You have to use helping verb after subject and before. Yes students, we use is with he, she, it. We use is with he, she, it. And we use are with you, we, they. You, we, they. We are working right now. You are eating dinner. Okay students, here are some examples of present continuous tense. Yes students, we can say present continuous tense as progressive tense. Okay? Yes. So progressive tenses, present progressive tenses and present continuous tenses are similar. So students, Peter is waiting for the bus. Yes. What is he doing in the picture? He is waiting for the bus. Okay, right now. So Peter is waiting for the bus. And we have used is and ing form verb. Okay, Peter is waiting. Look at this. Is waiting. We have used is waiting. Why? When we talk about the thing that is happening now, जो अभी हो रहा है, that is happening right now, then we use is mr and ing form with verb. That's why we have used here is and waiting. Peter is waiting for the bus. Next is the number of people using the internet on their phone is increasing. Nowadays students, आजकल के दिनों में सभी लोग इंटरनेट यूज़ करते हैं. So the number of people using the internet on their phone is increasing. आजकल क्या हो गया है, आपकी क्लासेस भी ऑनलाइन होते हैं, तो बहुत सारे लोग इंटरनेट अपने फ़ोन से यूज़ करते हैं. So internet on their phones is increasing. So here the verb used with ing form and we have used is. So this is present continuous tense. And the next one is my team is working on a new project at work. Leah is working a new hat. Leah is wearing a new hat. So students, जब भी हम बात करते हैं उन चीज़ों की जो अभी हो रही हैं, जो हम अभी कह रहे हैं, लाइक व्हाट आई एम डूइंग नाउ, आई एम टीचिंग यू प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस. एंड व्हाट आर यू डूइंग नाउ, यू आर लर्निंग प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस. देन वी यूज प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस like the given example. Okay students, you have to learn the examples, read the examples carefully, because students you have to learn the structure of the sentences. Yes, first of all we have to put a subject, after that we have to put helping verb. Okay, that will be according to your subject. Okay, after that we have to use verbs with ing form. And then object, like the first example, Peter is waiting for the bus. So students, in our Zoom class, we will learn again present continuous tense and we will learn the structure of present continuous tense. So, till then, bye-bye.